it's not too late. Hear me well, everyone. Everybody in business needs to have this type of word. It's not too late, because many times in business, we try things, they don't appear to go well. We look like we're all over the place, but you need to hear somebody tell you that it's not too late. It's not too late for God to manifest himself in your business, in your ministry, your marketplace ministry, whatever God is doing in your life. It is not too late. And that's where we are today in this season. He specifically has been telling me to say that to everyone, particularly women, though, between the ages of 45 and 65. If you fit into that category, God wants you to know that it's not too late for him to do everything that he said he would do in your life, that it's not too late for you to start the business, that it's not too late for you to do that thing again, that it's not too late even for you to start a ministry, to everything that God said he would do, he can do, and he will do. And I'm saying specifically to you, women of God, between 45 and 65, don't throw in the towel. Don't give up. Don't say, I've seen it all, and God said he was going to do it. No, 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 no. Run straight ahead, run forward with tenacity, and know that God wants to bless you in this season. All right. All right. You have anything else to say to that?
I mean, it's true. I think a lot of times people, do give up because of their faith. But even if we look toward the scriptures, we see that some people had to wait a long time for some of their promises. So if you've been waiting and you've been waiting, know that you're in good company, because if you look at the scriptures, when God blessed them, it was a defining prophetic moment in their lives. So I just want to piggyback on that and say, don't give up, keep going, because it literally is never too late.
Mm-hmm. For real, for real, for real. So we want to encourage you, especially all of y'all, you've been waiting to you've been affirmed a pastor, an elder, evangelist. I don't even know whatever else, but no one's ever a missionary, but no one's ever affirmed you as a prophet or an apostle. I'm talking to you, woman of God. The prophetic is upon your life. The apostolic is upon your life, as even in business and and outside of the church. If that's you, I need you to inbox me or click on one of our things so we can get you started in a new level of education. But anyway, it's true, but it's funny. All right, that's just what we do through GICMP. To make a decision regarding your mantle and your destiny. All right. Sooner or later, you're going to have to make a decision regarding that. But you also are going to have to, at a certain area in your life, begin to say, okay, my mantle really matters more than I thought, or you're going to have to accept the fact that your mantle matters less than you thought. What I mean by that. Now, if you're on this class, I would say you're at a defining moment in your life, and you're recognizing that maybe your mantle matters more than you thought. Maybe your mantle is a crucial part of your purpose. And now you have to make a decision really regarding the next phase and what God is going to do, because you've got to be positioned properly in order to manifest as that apostolic prophet. Who am I talking to today? All of y'all probably. All right. And you've got to recognize, as an apostolic prophet, you will have many contentious times. All right. Again, I'm just going to pour right now. You're going to have many contentious times and calamities where your mantle distinctives are going to clash in such a way with others, and wherever you are, depending on what you're doing, that, again, you're going to be forced to make some decisions. All right? Forced to make some decisions.